Welcome to Clean Shoes. In this episode we'll look at how to renovate older shoes with Saphir. First, it is necessary to remove the old layers of creams and waxes from the shoes, which were used previously. I use Saphir Reno'Mat cleaner for this. This cleaner will remove all of this without causing significant damage to the original paint. Make small circular movements without much pressure. After cleaning the shoes, it is necessary to treat the leather in the usual way, with Saphir shoe cream. If you like a little more shine on your shoes, use Saphir polishing wax. All this and some new laces will turn your older shoes into elegant and sexy shoes again. If you liked the video, please support me with a like or comment. Don't forget to wear clean shoes, and I'll see you in the next video.